Hey guys, this is John Lee Hillier from JT's Vending. Um, just wanted to show you guys. So when I'm out and about, I'm trying to find the things that I need. Normally, normally we go to the store, and if we're looking for something specific. But what I normally do, and my wife as well, to keep us on a budget and to keep most of our money in our pocket, we normally go to different Goodwills in our area, in our city, and we like now I need some to store some paperwork, that like file kind of paperwork, but I don't need a huge file cabinet. So I came to Goodwill, grabbed that, found this nice bag, and if you guys see my house, like we always put up like different picture frames. So now this pretty cool frame to put up is undamaged. But all of this is like $9, $8 with tax, $8 plus tax, probably like $9, $10. But my point being, come to Goodwill, shop secondhand, grab the things that I need. And if they have it, they have it. If they don't, then I'll go to the store. But my point of showing you guys this video was to let you guys know that you have to stop trying to look fake rich and end up real broke. You spend all your money trying to go get the new flashiest item when you're living paycheck to paycheck, and you need to focus on the things you need to focus on. But everyone doesn't have the money to take out loans and go borrow money. So if you're living paycheck to paycheck and your goal is to try to do better, get on a budget. When you set your budget, come to the Goodwill, come to these secondhand stores. They have outstanding things. We get clothes from here. We got our children's shoes and all of that stuff. Like, it don't make you less. The whole point of shopping is to make sure that you get the things you need and still have money in your pocket. Like, I'm down the aisle right now and just walking. I'm finna check out, but look at the clothes. Look at the clothes that they have. You can easily come here and go ahead and buy summer clothes for your kids or for yourself. Grab some winter clothes. You can get plenty of things here at affordable prices without having to spend a large amount of money for. Simple stuff like this, changes to your lifestyle, will help you build generational wealth. But you have to start building something so that you can leave something for your children's children. But if you're spending your time going, oh, I need all the name brand stuff, come to the secondhand stores, come to the different places and shop and find the things that you need until you get in a position where you can afford to ball out. And there's nothing wrong with living on a budget, having a plan for your money. I guarantee you guys doing this and following these little simple tips and steps can save you thousands of dollars, and it can keep you from essentially being broke. You look nice, you got nice clothes, but then you're broke and you can't pay your bills. So thank you guys so much. This is one of my favorite Goodwills. I like the one in Collierville as well. And we like Once Upon a Child. That's one of our favorites. So guys, thank you so much. Tune in tonight. We're doing a $250 cash giveaway. Good luck to everyone. Au revoir. A bientôt. À la prochaine.